conducts a traffic stop after a driver goes the wrong way on a one-way street and hops a curb, popping both passenger side tires. What the officer doesn't know is the driver is a fellow New Mexico State police officer.
2543, you come to my 20. You roll down the window.
Damn.
Can you roll it down?
What's up? What's up?
You're going the wrong way on 2nd Street, and then you also hit a curb and popped both your tires on this side.
What the fuck?
How much alcohol have you had tonight?
Nothing.
So why?
Man, she drunker than a motherfucker, boy. That's what she is. She drunker than a motherfucker.
You slurring?
I'm not slurring.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Hey, just because you said I slurred, there's no reason.
So you're refusing to get out of the vehicle? 25 Metro. 201 refusing to get out of the vehicle, slurring her words. Smell alcohol coming from inside the vehicle as well.
Bro,
2 inches.
she popped the tire going over the curb, bro, going down the wrong side of the street. It's crazy, bro. She like that. She drunker than a motherfucker, boy. And she ain't trying to get out the car.
201 just rolled up all the windows, refusing to get out. Doors are locked. I need you to step out of the vehicle. I need you to step out of the car. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I've already explained that to you. Step out of the vehicle. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Step out of the vehicle.
You feel me? Don't make it harder than what it gotta be.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. If you don't step out of the vehicle, we will break your window. We'll remove you from the vehicle. It's your choice. Step out of the vehicle.
Me.
25 Metro. So be advised, driver's gonna be off-duty NMSP officer. Ooh. Step out of the vehicle.
And she an off-duty New Mexico State police officer. Is crazy. And you drunk as a skunk and you going down the wrong way, popping your tire and you going because you went over a curve. It's crazy work. Hey, she don't lose her job because of this. I don't know what to tell you.
Step out of the vehicle.
The officer shows her sergeant's contact in her phone, signaling she's going to call him. It's unclear what she thinks the sergeant will do in this situation. Nevertheless, she's about to attempt to drag him into this mess.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window. I don't care who you're calling. Step out of the car. I will break the window.
This is crazy.
Step out of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I will break the window.
Break the window?
Hold on.
Why are you giving her so many chances?
State Police Hall. She's 47. Step out of the vehicle. We're going to break the window. This is your last warning. This is your last warning or we will break the window.
Break that motherfucker. Pop it. She's screaming, Sarge.
I'm watching her hands.
Ew, no. She was screaming, Sarge. Like, what the hell are you supposed to do? Lady, you over here drunk, going down the wrong side of the street as an off-duty police officer. Like, you, man, like, I didn't know motherfuckers that lost their jobs completely because of DWI. If she, like, hey, she don't lose her job, then I know something. She over there screaming, like, what the Sarge gonna do? You, at this point, you are a suspect. You're a criminal at this point. Sarge can't do nothing for you. Like, come on, man.
Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out.
Oh, yup. Your eyes like y'all be doing everybody else.
Roll over. I got
what the fuck? How about some damn Sarge?
roll over that way. Sit up. Sit up.
Here, just roll this way, okay?
Yeah.
Look, sit up.
The fact they know who she is
Clear my
crazy.
unit.
Do you have any glass on you in your mouth, anything like that?
Yep.
You did? Okay, we'll get
Yep.
it for you.
In my eyes.
Ready?
She got it in her eye too.
In my eyes. My eyes.
Passenger side. Passenger side.
Here, have a seat.
Negative. I won't get in the car until my sergeant gets there.
And we're not waiting for you, Sergeant. You're under arrest. Get in the car.
Come on. Here, get in your unit. You go
Put it in your unit, bye.
We can pull it through.
Yeah.
Damn, what car you gonna put her in?
Look, have a seat. Have a seat. You know how this works?
Watch your legs.
She ain't going.
Think it's cool, Mom. You f***ing think it's cool?
Hell no.
Dude, she came off of 2nd Street the wrong
Bro.
way, came towards me this way. So I was westbound 66, and I seen a
Right.
vehicle come out of 2nd Street the wrong way. She came eastbound 66. The light was red. She went around the car. The light turned green. She sped up, hit the sidewalk, the curb,
And popped the
jumped the
tire.
curb high as hell, popped both her right tires. I lit her up. She pulled in right here. She wouldn't open this window. She's all, go to the passenger side. So I went to the passenger side. She rolled it down about that much. And you could smell the alcohol. Seen it was her. So I called for you. Came to the driver's side window. She started calling Roman from the state police. She starts yelling, screaming.
And she thinks she finna get off on this. It's crazy. She thinks she ain't do nothing wrong. Like, cause she the police. Like, this is crazy, bro. She's that drunk, bro. She'll like this is crazy, bro. Like, I ain't saying you can't do what you gotta do, do what you wanna do because you is off duty. But come on, man, you gotta be more responsible than this. This is you a police officer. You take people to jail for this, and you out here doing this. Like, come on, man.
I'm not getting out. I ain't getting out. I ain't getting out. So get out of the car or we're gonna break the window.
You have to break the window on her.
And then we broke the window. She wouldn't get out, so we drug her out, put her in cuffs, and you could smell the alcohol in her breath bad. State police knows. Her sergeant's on the phone right there.
Is it Roman?
Ew, drunker than a mother.
She showed me the phone like that, and it said Sergeant Roman.
Sarge can't help you tonight, ma'am.
Dude, when you were breaking the window, I was watching her hands because she's an officer. I don't know what she's got. So I'm watching her hands. I see the fucking glass hit me in the face, and I'm like,
So are you trying with it?
listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test. See, do you agree to take our test? Yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs?
Do
or
you
no?
agree to take our test? Yes or no?
Did you do the SFSTs or no?
I did not.
Okay.
Do you agree to take our test?
Based on what?
Do you agree to take our
Based
test?
on
Yes or
what?
no?
She
I
trying
cannot
to use a
force
law
you to take
against
our
them.
test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in a court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement in New Mexico law that you take a breath test. Do you now agree to be tested? Yes or no?
Can you get state police here?
No. Do you
Nope.
now agree to be tested? Yes or no?
Can you get state police here? Yes
No,
or
I
Hell
cannot.
no.
Yes or
Nobody's
no?
going to jail.
No.
Okay, so based on that,
Do
She
you
gonna
now
say
agree
no.
to be tested? Yes or no? I consider your actions a refusal to be tested. You're under arrest for aggravated DWI.
Lucky. She don't.
She refused to answer me. Taking it as a refusal. Log me 11015.
Yeah.
Aggravated DWI. I'm gonna go off now. Now that she's in the unit 15 and I read her.
New Mexico State Police Officer Rachel Hall had served for 4 years and 8 months at the time of her arrest. A partially empty bottle of vodka was found under her seat, and she later declined to take a breathalyzer test. She was charged with aggravated driving while under the influence of alcohol, consuming and/or possession of an alcoholic beverage in an open container in a motor vehicle, 3 counts of resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer, failure to maintain a traffic lane, and driving on the wrong side of a road. Immediately following her arrest, Hall was placed on administrative leave. Before the internal investigation concluded, she chose to resign. New Mexico State Police Chief Troy Weisler expressed deep disappointment, stating that Hall's actions were a breach of public trust and did not reflect the values of the department. Hall's arrest occurred amid a larger DWI scandal, in which federal investigations allege that some officers in New Mexico conspired with a defense attorney to dismiss DWI cases in exchange for bribes. This has led to several arrests and resignations in the law enforcement community. Hall's case seems to be an
Hey, you feel me? They just, boy, that's crazy. They are, boy, out here taking bribery for dismissing DWI cases. It's crazy. Hey, boy, look.
isolated incident that is not linked to this scandal, and she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Question, have you ever heard of the phrase, the cover-up is worse than the crime? Well, what if people like lawyers and cops aren't just covering things that although Mr. Chavez hasn't been indicted, the New Mexico Supreme Court has temporarily suspended his license, and that's definitely not a good sign. And I do mention this case because corruption has always been far-reaching. Now, although this case is unrelated, if we can't trust the people to uphold the law to conduct themselves responsibly and with high moral character, public trust will erode. And in this particular video, accountability is about to get tested. And this also
take no accountability
professionalism with the awkward tension of investigating a police officer. And as a police officer who's intoxicated and chooses to get behind the wheel of a car, in my opinion, you care nothing about yourself or the officer who stops you. And as she rolls up her window, this situation just got real, because although she may be a cop, but she's also a defiant drunk driver. Now the sad part is having to watch this officer get yanked from the car, thrown to the ground, and then placed in cuffs. And as much as it pains me to say this, I believe she deserved it all. But I will end with this. How do we expect the public to trust those in authority?
You can't take her ass to jail just like they taking everybody else to jail. You feel me? Catch y'all in the next one.